My name is Joshua Aaronson. I am the COO and co-founder of Panda Technology. My tasks, and job function within the company are focused on cybersecurity, on managed IT services, and our overall platform and support for customers. The ThreatLocker Zero Trust Endpoint Protection Platform has helped us protect our environments and have more meaningful requests for access, as well as meaningful logging for response. The benefits that I've seen from it, specifically regarding elevation control, allow me to give an end user the ability to complete the task when they're a capable person. They know how to install a piece of software. They can make the request, and I can give them the access to do it without having to spend the time with them while it's installing. Right, so I can save time by empowering end users to do more while still keeping those controls in place. So it's very easy to use and implement and deploy. The caveat being, that you do need to dedicate resources and effort to that are focused on the product and really understand it. You can't just deploy it and forget about it. The thing that could add to it or make it better would be more direct integrations with cloud platforms and services. So when getting into file control, right, or storage control, being able to control more granular access within platforms like SharePoint or OneDrive. My experience with the deployment of the ThreatLocker Zero Trust Endpoint platform has been very simple and easy to use. There are a number of ways to deploy the software, but it's very well integrated, has excellent instructions for any specific use cases, and the guides for it are very clear. If you are scaling your use of ThreatLocker, you do have to dedicate and focus resources on maintaining it and caring for it. If that's not done properly, at scale, it can be very difficult to manage, just because of how robust and customizable the solution can be. But that said, as it scales, it still functions and performs just as well. It's structured very well. I would rate the ThreatLocker Zero Trust Endpoint Protection Platform 10 out of 10.